Yo. So in this video I'm going to take you through now we can start on Python. So let's get started. So you're going to start now. We can assign values on variables. So you're going to have our variable called item, and we are going to assign it some value. So this is going to be a string variable. We can also write another variable called item, but with a capital letter on the start. So remember, Python is case sensitive. These are going to be different variables. So this will be hello. So now we can also have what we call the naming convention. So here we use the underscore, so it will be like name, put an underscore, so we add another text, so it will be like name k. So we assign it some value, so it will be like mango, like mangoes. So after here, we are going to print some information on the console window. So it'll be like our item 1, a comma, the second item. So let's run this and see. So it prints hello book, and I've told you this in the first place, that these are different variables. Remember, Python is case sensitive. So using this print function, I can add some text, like I love, so plus the variable stored in my mango, and if I run, I love mango. Yeah, so that is how we can assign some values on variables in Python. Getting started. So here, the second one, we are going to see data types. So you have data types in Python. The first one is the integers. It is the integer. So give it some value like 23, like that value. We have the strings. Put an underscore, be like name, equals tabel, like myself. So you see here, these changes are indicating that it is a text. This is red for the integers. So you also have the what we call the booleans. This just true or false value. It's either true or false. So you have the floats. These are the small numbers in Python. Yeah. So you can print some information. Be like I want to print now the boolean. Be like boolean. Yeah. True. Like true. Lot of data types in Python, so that we are going to use, or that may be used in the future. So now, in the next phase, we are going to see how we can print data types combined. So this is, we can print a string combined on the integer. Yeah, it is possible, though on hearing it, it cannot be what? It cannot be possible. So I'm going to declare my integer, so be like 34 now. I have the name, which is beta. Now I have now, so this name is going to also be a string, be like 2. Now I'm going to print or to combine these data types. So I'll be like the name, my variable called name, plus now I'm going to upcast the string in bracket the integer. Yeah, if you run this, you get Bella 34. But let me just show you. If I add a string on an integer without a casting, we expect some flash. Yeah, exactly. Type error can only concatenate string that is here. The concatenation, this is a question, this is an error now. So we move on. We can now move on the loops. So you have what we call the for loop. And the for loop be like for I in the range, okay, of 3. So now to explain this loop, it is going to loop over 3 values. It will loop over 3 values. Okay, I can put some information be like Abe, comma, the number of loops. So be like Abe 0, Abe 1, Abe 2. This means, remember in Python, we have a lot of indexes. These indexes start at 0. So that's why it starts at 0. But you can see, you can prove this by adding here a certain value. So I want it to start on 1. If I print, so it will be like Abe 1, Abe 2, and Abe 3 to bring that looping of 3 numbers. Yeah, manually that is for loops. So we have the while loop, which is while. But before the while loop, I will declare a variable be like I equals to 1. I have my while loop while I is less than 5. I will increment this I or update this I to be like I plus or equal to 1. I will print some information. So this information will be I. So yes, yeah, we are getting the 2. We're getting 2, 3, 4, and 5, but we had to get 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this is a while loop. Let me add here some 6. So it will be like 2, 2, 1, and 6. Yeah, but I have to change this. Okay, if I put it, yeah, perfect. This will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember the 1 here. I want to add 6 there. I'll make them 7. 1 is not written or got by Python. Now that is all. Is the while loop. So we can have what we call the infinite loop, a loop that runs truly, that will never stop. So it will be while true, yes, if the loop is true, print some information, then here I'll accept some user input, right now, input, enter your name, enter your name, telling the user, put an if statement if num equals to the user input. If it is 0, print ended, then black. Okay, let's run this and see. You have name, to keep on looking, die, yes, but if I enter 0 to the end of the loop, yeah, that's always loops. To get started, so I'm going to have some functions. To get the function, we use a diff keyword. So be like function, I'll write a name, be like boy, I like function boy. So in this function, inside the parentheses, I'm going to try to write a name. Yes, then I'll print some information. Hello, hello, comma name, because we have our parameter. Then I'll call this function boy. Sorry, I'm calling this function boy, and I'll pass it there the name now, be like Bella. Yeah. So if I run this code, it will be hello Bella. So that is how we do work with functions. So you can also create multiple functions, be like div Bella. That is a function one. You can also create another function, be like Mercy. Yo. So now try to run this code, it will give some errors. That is called the indentation error. So meaning there is some blocks that are missing. So but Python provides a keyword called pass. It's like a placeholder that I use that in that function in future. So if I run this code, nothing is printed. Yeah, that's me, Senkubuge Abe Musumba. That's how we can start with Python. Thank you.